All right. If you didn't have a good day today, you did not swing calls into today like I did. Okay, swung calls from here to here. 688 paid 140 and the 686 is paid 170. That was the move of the day. You could have shorted here. I didn't. I waited. I scalped this. But again, this is just day 19 in the range. Who cares, right? Here we are. Here's the structure. It looks like we're about to absolutely cave and die. But on SPY, today was an inside day. So it all comes down to the NFP move. Now, if NFP algos pick up and say, hey, this is shit, then you will finally get the measured move here. There we have it. Down to here. But even so, that's just gonna be testing the bottom of the range, right? Okay, that'll be here. That'll still be within the massive bull flag. Now, how can they make it more fuckery? By gapping up and fading. Okay, and if that happens, if we gap up and we don't go higher, get out of everything and wait. The setup here is very interesting. Look at this. You have next to no call buying on SPY. All right, you get a little bit of dark pool into close. You have this ghost candle. The freshest ghost candle on SPY is to 684, 61 ish, give or take. Now on Robinhood, you did catch one after hours 256. It's probably the same one. IWM has the same one. IWM, no call buying, massive dark pool buying. And this is weird because it doesn't show any call buying here. I saw for myself that they were loading a bunch of call. Now, Dow Jones, no ghost candle, massive dark pool buying, little bit of flow. So we're still just rotating. You can't be bearish with JPM at 320 unless, I don't know. But again, you did have a Bollinger Pierce. Last time you had that, is that a Bollinger Pierce? I mean, that is fucking debatable, isn't it? Anyway, last time you shat the bed. If you start shitting the bed here into Kwanzaa, that's the down move, right? Okay. So you got NFP tomorrow. Where art thou? Wrong week. My bad. Anyways, here we go. You have ADP, housing, non-farm retail sales, and unemployment rate. So go ahead and predict that clusterfuck beforehand. It's all about a lot of data, like a bunch of shit. This could be anywhere at open. And then we have PMI, and then we get Japanese data after hours and the European data. And then Wednesday we have a bunch of other stuff going on as well. Fed speakers, and Thursday CPI. So we have to kind of react and see. Today what I reacted to was that there was no difference in the day between 588s and on Tuesday and 590s on Wednesday. So I'm in some 682s and in some 688s in case we happen to open here. Beyond that, I kind of don't want to buy anything until we hit here. That can be out of, if that's out of the gate tomorrow, I would almost buy it for Wednesday in the money for a pump. If we go up tomorrow, you might get continuation on Wednesday. I would be very, if we go up here, I would be very careful come Thursday for a downside. Reason still being this fractal that has, I mean, it's not perfect, but today we are here. So if we get a 2-day squeeze here, we will definitely pull back into Kwanzaa. If we don't, if this goes lower, this pump might be off and this might be CPI. It is impossible to tell. The flow until end of day seemed quite bullish. Their midday, obviously Meta, something's going on with it. As far as the Namo has not changed really. We need this to be saved tomorrow big time, but again, we could just be chopping here for a while. But anyways, closing GEX today was, we had, I think this kind of signifies the setup here. There's a lot of like overall market call flow came into close, but again, you need to gap over 681 to get up to here, and if NFP is bad, nothing's gonna stop that first fake breakdown of the range, in my opinion. No dark pool prints today. Here's the flow. There's Meta that we're watching intensely, and let's see here what we can find. Today we had called it. You needed to get over that. That didn't really happen, except that gap outside the range, which. Alright, so here is Tuesday's GEX. Here, as you see, 684, the biggest GEX, and that is the ghost candle. Now again, gotta get over that to then move up to here. If we don't eat shit tomorrow and we manage to sail above here, and we get here by Wednesday close, buy puts a week out in case you get a nice sale. If we're still fucking around down here, maybe this is CPI, so we kind of have to live with the premiums and watch it. And again, great job today if you partook in the weekend swing and stayed out of amateur hour all day over here, because this shit's not going anywhere anytime soon besides data. Simple as that. So you kind of have to reposition yourself for it while the rotation happens. Meta today, really nice move. Managed to scale up on here. It did this gross sell the day before it had that news last time, so something to think about. Anyways guys, watching Meta, watching Hood, took a Baba starter today, and that's about it. Okay, I'll wait a few days for these to die out before I play it. Anyways guys, thank you, God bless.